Hey everyone, we are still enjoying spring, but summer is not too far around the corner, and the May-June issue of Garden Gate has lots of information to help you have a really beautiful summer garden this year. For starters, we have two plants for summer, one that blooms in sun and one that blooms in shade. One of them is Asiatic lilies and the other is astilbe, and both of them will make your garden so colorful this year. In addition, we'll introduce you to 13 true blue flowers that you can grow in your garden. We can all use more of this beautiful color. And last year we issued a container challenge to our readers, and we had lots of great entries, and we're sharing the winners and the runners up in this issue. They won a bunch of great prizes, and so look at this story, get inspired, and think about what you might want to submit for next year's container challenge. And in another story, my friend Tara Buff in Colorado has these amazing Hayrack planters that she grows every year, and she shared her secrets for planting with me. So if you've ever dreamed of having beautiful Hayracks under your windows or on your porch railings, this is a must-read article. We also have a story that shares several solutions to common problems that gardeners face. As always, we'll answer your garden questions and we'll share our readers' best tips. So if you don't already have this issue in your mailbox, you can find it on newsstands or in the Garden Gate store.